What's up guys, today's video is on the best elevated dog bed. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Helinox Elevated Dog Bed. Our test participants were impressed after receiving the sleek as well-designed Helinox Elevated Dog Cot. Our dogs were happy with the purchase, deciding to choose this one over the others to relax and lounge. Human testers loved that this bed ticks all the important boxes. It's easy to put together, it's lightweight and portable, sturdy, and not a snoozer. It weighs less than 3 pounds. This bed is travel-friendly, as is it's suitable for everyday use. The bed is constructed of the most airtight nylon mesh fabric that's wrapped with an aluminum frame. Although the fabric has a black color, heat absorption did not pose a problem during our tests because of the lightweight and breathable material. The same lightweight material was able to stand up to our toughness tests and came away with no visible marks or damages. The bed is fairly simple to set up with the aid of directions. There are no additional tools required for the bed, and even though the top surface will require some stretching in order to cross, Helinox utilizes a lever system to lock it into position, making it easy to disassemble and put together when required. It is also simple to clean by washing it with an outdoor hose. Number 2. K&H Pet Products Original Petcot Outdoor. This K&H Pet Products bolster pet bed was a hit. It has a mesh-like center to allow air circulation like many of the other beds on the market. However, its bolster is what makes it stand out. It's a cushion that covers all 3 sides. It provides the comfort dogs need to cuddle up with something. Most of our dogs prefer to rest their heads on it to feel like they are sleeping. The bolster can also make the bed appear more like furniture. The bed's mesh is much more comfortable than other beds we've tried and features many layers that are soft to the contact. It's this softness in the bolster which earns this bed our highest praise for its comfort. It also stood up well in our tests of durability and did not show indication of wear after 5 minutes of constantly using a scraper in order to recreate nails from a dog's on the mattress. Although this bed is awarded top scores in the comfort category, but there are some aspects that we aren't entirely thrilled with. First of all, the bed is available in one color, which is black mesh and an edgy border. Although this might not be a problem to everyone else, individuals, the dark shade will make the materials in the bed retain heat. If the bed is exposed to direct sunlight, the cooling effects diminish dramatically. The bolster can be removed and machine washable, win. However, the numerous layers of mesh that make up the bed makes it harder to clean than other beds. We were happy with the bed's design, furniture, especially attractive if you intend on putting it in the house as well, and its premium design and feel, and was definitely favored by all of our canine test subjects. Number 3. Cooling Elevated Pet Bed. If you are looking for a pet bed with an elevated design with a reasonable price one, it is recommended that the Amazon Basics Cooling Elevated Pet Bed ought to be on your list of. It is among the most inexpensive beds available. It offers plenty of value. It's sturdy enough for the human test subject as well as a dog to lie on. It passed our test of durability well and is easy to wash using the help of a hose if it becomes dirty. The setup procedure should be done by at least 2 persons. After having it set up, it's simple to move around your home and around the yard as required. The most significant issue we faced when we reviewed Amazon Basics Bed. Number 4. Canine Ballistics Chew-Proof Mesh. If you have a ferocious chewer in your household, you're aware of how stressful it can be to pay the money to buy a premium dog bed, but then have your pet chew it up to shreds. This is the situation where this Canine Ballistics Chew-Proof Dog Bed is available. It's built with maximum endurance in the mind. The frame is made of aluminum, which makes it unattractive for the chewing inclined. Additionally, the bed fabric ripstop seamlessly attaches the frame, creating no space for a dog to chew on or grab a pet. Its durability was further demonstrated in our tests when we could not break through the material within 5 minutes of rubbing it constantly during our abrasion tests. While the test left marks on the surface, its structural integrity didn't appear to be compromised, as we didn't notice any broken fibers. The bed was among the easiest to put together and took just 40 seconds to secure the bed's legs into the frame made of steel, making it simple to pull away and then put into your car, storage, or to move around. However, the Canine Ballistics did not perform as well as other models when it came to breathability. The material is thin and did not heat to the touch after being left in the sunshine. We tried the lighter, sandy color, and it could be different with the darker shades, however, it doesn't have any mesh or perforations that restricts airflow to the mattress. The bed is also available in the smallest of colors, and a few of our testers with human bodies were disappointed with the quality of the bed. If your dog is an avid chewer but requires a sturdy bed to keep their feet off the ground and comfortable, we suggest the Canine Ballistics mattress. Number 5. Yep, Folding Pet Bed Cot. If you're one of those who hates making furniture, this elevated dog bed is set to make your life easier. It's set up by taking the bed out of the carrier case that can easily be reinserted into when you're two on the go and folding it as an outdoor chair and attaching the legs to pipe clamps to provide extra security. The Yep Folding Pet Bed is set up in a matter of seconds. It is available in 3 sizes. Small, large and extra large, with a range of colors available. It is suitable for all breeds of dogs. The X-large that we used to test can accommodate dogs up to 200 pounds, and our test dogs were able to lounge on the bed outdoors without feeling any sort of instability. Our dogs who are more cautious did not notice any indications of wobbliness or instability either and seemed to take pleasure in afternoon naps in this comfy bed with no hesitation. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.